Hey guys, welcome back to the Shipmate YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about some changes that are happening here at the channel, so you're going to want to stay tuned. So guys, over the last couple months, a lot of things have changed here at the channel, and today we're excited to bring those to the forefront and talk to you guys about it and how things are changing. So we are going through a change here at Shipmate Fulfillment, and we are becoming iDrive Fulfillment. So what this means for our viewers, for our audience, for our customers, is that things are going to look a little different here on the set, but hopefully for our viewers, we're going to be putting out more content. We're going to have extra resources, and this is overall going to lead to more information, better information, more videos, and it's going to be a win-win for our viewership. Now, if you're a customer, if you are a future customer, this is great for you too, because we're going to have access to even better shipping rates. We're going to have access to more facilities. We're going to have access to a lot of shipping and marketing teams and other things that are going to allow us to do even more things and be even better at what we do. So we're really excited for this, and we hope you are too. So you're going to start seeing these changes come into play. But don't worry, things are only getting started. Things are only going to get bigger, better, and we're excited to be there. We're going to come at you every week with more content, and we hope that you'll be along for this journey as well. I thank you guys all for everything you've done so far. It's real exciting to have 5,000 subscribers, and we thank you guys for watching every week and tuning in. We'll see you next week on the iDrive Fulfillment YouTube channel, and we hope you'll join us next week for all that new and exciting content. You're not going to want to miss it. Stay tuned.